speaking here from Sky Sports News to Jack Cooper, the top run scorer today for Hunferth High School CC. Selling Jack, how did you feel about the result and how the game went?
Well, I thought that we played really well, so we bowled really well as well. So I thought the batting performance wasn't the best, but we came through. The bowling just brought absolute perfection to me as well. The bowl by Thomas Middle was absolutely brilliant today. So.
Can I just interrupt? Can I get Middle?
Yes, of course.
Middle! Middle, go there! Come on, son!
Come on, Mitch, you're there.
Hi, Thomas Middle here. How are you feeling after the result and the way the team performed, and especially your bowling and batting performance?
I'm just buzzing for the lads, really, that's all. It's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, but do you think you bowled well?
Oh yeah, it was great that I could help the team out with 4 decent overs and getting 5 runs.
Well, you captained the side to victory.
Yeah, thanks.
What did you think to Jack Cooper's knock today?
Well, it was good. Could stay in a bit longer, but runs out to the end.
Right, that's it. Harry Bissett reporting from Quays. See you later.